So I am super excited to show this right here. And this strategy was actually spawned off by one of our members. And if you come into Discord, you'll be able to talk to her and um rack her brain, where she came up with these things. But anyways, we are using line uh break candles to come up with this strategy, and it's working very well. As you can see right here, for the month of March, we had 13 total trades. So it doesn't take a trade every day, but it had a 100% win rate, and with one mini on NQ made $7,423. And that is from 9:45 to 10 a.m. only. Looking for a very specific setup. And if you look here, we have our 9:45 to 10. Here's our settings right here on it. And then we have 100 tick profit, 1 tick stop loss, 1 trade per day. And we are using on bar close and etc. etc. And I'm going to show you the difference between on bar close, on and off. Okay. And here we go. So here is a trade right here. Now, if you look at line breaks, they're not like regular candles. They don't show every single movement of price. They are smoothed out, kind of like Renko's, but they will actually show you the breaks of previous candles a lot better than a Renko will, or in my opinion, any candle. I love these things. Ever since she brought it up, I've been using them. I've been scalping with them, and they're my new favorite candle, and they work really well. So if we get into, so the first light beacon is the indicator that powers the bot here. And when it finds, okay, we need to get into a trade, it's going to wait until, since we have on bar close, it's going to wait until the bar closes. So it might find that we need to get into the trade at the beginning of the candle, the middle of the candle, somewhere in between the candle, but it will not do anything until the bar closes. So it gets in the trade. Well, the same thing with closing. When we hit our 100 ticks, the way it works is it's not going to close until the bar closes. Okay. So price could be down here, could be way up here. So you could make way more, way less. How we get away from that is we're using NinjaTrader to actually execute, right? And we're using webhooks through our service provider, CrossTrade, and we have an ATM set up on NinjaTrader. So when the bot initiates the long, our ATMs take profit at 100 ticks. And then if the bot says, okay, and tries to close a trade, well, it just goes, there's no trade here to close. And then it just ignores that close command. And that is how we're making sure that we're getting closed at our 100 ticks, right? And as far as stop losses go, we're letting the bot close so that if there's any, choppiness, it just gets ignored and it just goes on and wins. Okay. And then we have a stop loss on our ATM set at like 300 ticks, so that in case there's a disconnection, something happens, whatever, anything in the world happens, at least we have some protection that doesn't let our account just get blown up. Right. So, and then if you turn on bar close off right here, then if you look at this trade right here, this one actually loses. Why? Because it's not waiting for candles to close before it's taking action. So when this dipped enough below to hit our stop loss, it just exited the trade, and it would send a signal to the NinjaTrader and say close the trade and the loss. Right now we go back to on bar close turned on. Now it just ignores this choppiness, and since this candle right here did not close below this candle, it ignored this dip and just kept it going, went into drawdown, then ended up going up and winning. Okay. And we have been watching this and we have been using this thing for the past week. And that's exactly what happens. Most of these trades do go into a little bit of drawdown, and then they ignore that choppy, they push up, and then they close at our 100 ticks. And this is working really well. As you can see, 100% win rate since March 3rd right here. And that is, that's that. And we have been using it since the beginning of last week, live on accounts, either automated or trading it manually, just following the signals for this one singular trade throughout the day from 9:45 to 10 a.m. And it is working like a charm. So if you are interested in getting a hold of this automated trading bot, it is available for TradingView and NinjaTrader. and you can use it for both. TradingView for this strategy is preferred, and you just come to our website here and click on join today at the bottom down here, and then you can select whether you want to go with the Hunters Club, which has all of our live streams and automated trade copying, etc. Or you can just go with the trade copy service only, but yeah, the indicators and bot only right here. And we also have a setup service if you need help setting it up. But this is where you go. And if you need funding, you can come here, and all of these prop firms right here are okay with automated strategies. And these are the ones that we use, and these are the ones that we promote. So you can come to the website, click on funding, and you'll be presented with all of these. I really like Earn to Trade because they have a stepping up ladder type system thing where every time you get a profit goal, they kind of double the account and push you up to 400,000 from just a 50 or 100K account. And once you get your profit goal in the 400,000, they give you a private contract, but you are funded the whole step of the way, and you can take payouts whenever you want. And that is how we get funding for these things. But again, if you want to grab the automated strategies, come to our website, breakouthunter.com, and here you are right here, and you can join today right there at the bottom, and we will see you in our Discord.